Hello viewers, welcome back to another section of our apply electricity tutorials. In this video, we have a question which says what is the current in amperes in the 5 ohm resistor of the circuit below. So this is the 5 ohm resistor the question is talking about, and this is the current which is coming from the 5 ohm. Since we have the source here, this current will be termed as the source current or the supply current. So the supply current generally is given by the total voltage over the total resistance. Now, what do we have, or which parameters do we have before we find our total current? Now, we have only one source in this circuit, and that is the 7 volts. All over the resistance here is 5 ohms. So we have 2 ohms also here, then you have 4 ohm here. So then we have to determine the total resistance before we proceed to find our total current. So let's see. In order to find our total resistance, let's see the resistors which are active. When the current is coming from the source, it will reach this junction. At this junction, it makes decision by sensing all the path it's going to take before it returns to its source. So it is going to sense this part, then it will sense this part, then finally it will sense this part. So it will take the part which it will encounter the little resistance or the least or even possibly no resistance before it enters the source. When it sends here to see this 4 ohm, to see this 2 ohm, then there is nothing here. Then it will rather bypass them and pass here back to the circuit. So meaning that this 4 ohm and the 2 ohm have been short circuited, and hence the current just take this part and come back to the source. Let's redraw the active circuit, then find the total resistance. The active circuit will have the short circuit here, then it will have the 5 ohm here together with the source, only like this. You have the 5 ohm and the 7 volts. Then you have our current I. So therefore, we can move ahead to find our current by 7 out of 5, where 5 is our total resistance in the circuit, and this is simply equal to 1.4 amperes. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, you subscribe, and you share. Turn on the notification button so that you get updated when I post new tutorials on these channels.